Quick question. Have you ever eaten half a pizza? Or shared a chocolate bar into 4 pieces? Then guess what? You already understand fractions. Stick around because by the end of this video, fractions will be your favorite thing in all of maths. I'm your host from Sites for Kids. Today we are going to crack fractions wide open. By the end of this video, you will never be confused by fractions again. And I promise, this is going to be fun. Let's go. A fraction is simply a part of a whole thing. Imagine you have a pizza cut into 4 equal slices. If you eat 1 slice, you ate 1 out of 4 pieces. We write that as 1/4, 1/4. It's just saying how many pieces you have compared to the total number of pieces. Every fraction has 2 numbers. The top number is called the numerator. It tells you how many pieces you have. The bottom number is called the denominator. It tells you how many pieces the whole thing was cut into. Easy memory trick. N for north, numerator is on top. D for down, denominator is at the bottom. Here's the coolest thing about fractions. You already use them every single day and you don't even realize it. When you eat half a pizza, that's a fraction. When someone says it's 3:15, that's a fraction. Fractions are literally everywhere in real life. Now let's learn how to say fractions out loud. 1/2 is called 1/2. 1/3 is 1/3. 1/4 is 1/4. 3/4 is 3/4. The bottom number tells you what to call it. 4 means quarters, 3 means thirds, 2 means halves. Here is one of the most mind-blowing things about fractions. Some fractions look different, but mean exactly the same amount. 1/2 and 2/4 are the exact same amount of chocolate. We call these equivalent fractions. Same amount of pizza, different look. Okay, it's challenge time. I want you to try and work out these 3 fraction problems yourself before I show you the answer. Pause the video right now. Let's see the answers. Let's do a lightning fast recap. Number 1. A fraction is a part of a whole thing. Number 2. The top number is the numerator, and the bottom is the denominator. Number 3. Fractions are everywhere in real life. Number 4. Equivalent fractions look different, but mean the same amount. You are now a fraction expert. You made it to the end, and you are now officially a fraction expert. If you learned something today, smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment. What fraction of your day do you spend at school? Subscribe so you don't miss next week when we explore how does the water cycle really work. See you there?